Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Observational studies often trick students into making false causal claims, but we can master this logic quickly by breaking down the study design in 3 steps. The bird lover used existing records to compare years with and without concerts. Since there was no random assignment of concerts to years, this is an observational study, not experiments. In observational studies, we can identify associations or correlations, but we cannot establish causation. Confounding variables might exist, so we cannot conclude that concerts cause the change in egg counts. Options A and B incorrectly claim causation. Option C is also wrong because we cannot rule out causation. Option D correctly identifies the limitation of the study design, so choose D. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid assuming causation without observing the study type and always respect the research limits.